G'day everyone, welcome to Motorbung Aussie. Well, today we're doing a nice simple dessert. It's called Leche Flan in the Philippines, which means like a milk flan. Very similar to the Creme Caramel. But this one we got the Filipino version. There's only just a few ingredients. Evaporated milk, condensed milk and eggs. That's all there is, plus sugar for the caramel. Very, very simple process, and we'll just go by the step-by-step guide of how to make a leche flan. Cheers! G'day everyone, welcome back. Wasn't it a nice, simple, easy process? Now, when you do make the flan, I did it in a water bath, and I just had the oven at 140 degrees. I wouldn't have it any hotter. As you can see, when I did cut the flan open, you can see there was no air bubbles in it. So the if you cook it in a higher oven, you get the air bubbles, and that's a no-no for these type of flans or anything like a cream caramel. But so, you know, only suggestion is when you do the caramel, just be very, very careful, because if you spill any on you, you're going to know about it. Very, very hot. It'll peel your skin off. Like it's over 200 degrees Celsius. So yeah, just be very careful. So here we go. We'll just go for the taste test now. Very smooth. It's a lot heavier than like a cream caramel. If you wanted to make it lighter, I guess you could put one less egg in it. But the actual flan itself is not overly sweet, and then you got the bit of sweetness of the caramel. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful dish. Easy to eat and very easy to make. So give it a try. Press the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment and tell me if you agree with the Filipinos out there. Tell me if you agree with the way I make a leche flan. Masarap talaga. Till the next video, people. Thanks very much for watching.